The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yup, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. What? She's on fire. She's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey. Homeylus, homies, homeboys, make some noise. Homegirls, make some noise. Y'all know that the cook is hot, the cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot, the cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot, the cook is hot. Hey, she's on fire. She's on fire. What's up, homies? I want to talk about borrowing money. Let's speak about borrowing money, okay? Don't loan anyone money if you cannot afford to give it away. This is how I look at loaning out money. If I can't afford to just give it to you, not get it back, strong possibility I may not ever get it back, I'm not going to loan it to you. Don't depend on people saying I'll give it to you when I get my check, I'll give it to you when I get this, I'll give it to you. If you cannot afford to go without it, don't loan it out. It's not worth losing friendships over, although it happens. By the same token, if you borrow money from somebody, don't start avoiding them.
Right.
They might just be calling you to say hi. Now you don't want to answer the phone because you owe them money. Now you don't want to say hi because you owe them money. Now you see their phone number trying to run because you owe them money. They might just be calling you just to say hi. You used to talk before. Now you borrow some money, you want to avoid them because you're afraid they're going to ask you for some money. Okay? So let's stop all of this nonsense. I have the type of friends that, like, you have the type of friends every time you go somewhere, bill comes out, they expect you to pay for it. Like you paid, like you got it like that. No! Then you got those, you fighting over the bill. Those are the ones that, like, you're fighting over who's gonna pay for it. One be like, oh, I got it. Don't think nothing of it. Another day it might be you that got it. Don't think nothing of it, you know, take turns, whatever. Don't think anything of it. Fighting over who's gonna pay for the bill, try to pay it when the other one's not looking, things like that. But then you got those type that, honey, they go down and start subtracting, carry the one. I owe $4.85 to the penny, honey. Give me back my 15 cents. I gave you $5. I need my 15 cents back. You got those type, child. You know those type, honey. You go out to dinner, whole group of you, everybody ordering different things and different this, different that, and they just looking like, I'll just have some water and lemon. Okay. But then when everybody else food comes out, they dipping over here. Oh, let me taste that. Dip it over here. Let me taste that. Dip it over here. Dip it over there. Chop. Asked the waiter for some sugar and sat at the table and made them a whole lemonade. Okay? Because they're not trying to spend no money. They don't feel like dividing up who paid for this, who paid for that. Throw money in there. Keep the change. I'm good. Okay? I can't stand going out with these types of groups of people, honestly. Not going to be fighting over money. Not going to be calculating and dividing. You know what you ordered. Just pay for it. Keep the change. You know, there's people who got it like that. And if you don't have it like that, there is nothing wrong with saying, you know what, I'm going to sit this one out. Don't go up in there expecting somebody to carry you all the time. But then you got money for your nails, you got money for your hair, you got money for your eyelashes, honey. You got money for everything else. But when it's time to go out and eat with a group of friends, you know, you want to drink water and lemon. I'm just saying, don't kill the messenger. Just wanted to holler at you all about that. This is another plug-in. Don't know what I cook, but I hope whatever it was that you enjoyed it. If you have some ideas or some things you would like to see me cook, I'm not saying I can cook anything. I'm not saying that, but there are a lot of different things that you would typically find in restaurants, not fast food restaurants, not necessarily the Michelin star type restaurants, but like your Applebee's, your Chili's, those type restaurants. Normally those are things that I can cook, and I feel like they can be cooked better at home, and your girl's going to show you how to do it. So keep following me. Thank you for watching, and peace.